Hey guys, as you can see at the title of the video, um, you already know what I'm going to be doing to the car. Sorry about that. Sorry about the long wait, long time no see. But yeah, today I got a little video. It's probably not going to be that long. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is what came in the mail. I got this Dodge Charger tail light tint. I got this from Amazon. So yeah, let's see what comes in it. So I'm gonna do this with one hand. So comes with this. This to clean out the air bubbles, any air bubbles that you could that you get when you're applying the tint on the car. This is basically to take them off. So yeah, so we have the tint itself, and I think it comes with an extra one. There's the other ones for the other one. Here's me. And here's the other one. I don't know what this is. Some kind of guide. And then you got yourself a microfiber cloth for to clean it off, because you want to clean it off first before you apply any of the vinyl. So yeah, so let's get to it. Let's apply the tint, and yeah, we'll see you there. So we're gonna be applying the vinyl. I should have washed my car first. It's dusty. Technically, you're supposed to wash your car first or clean the area, but I'm just gonna clean it off. Like that, because then you're gonna create like bubbles and stuff on the vinyl. Anyways, so this part is this one. What I want to do is, I like to do it like this, and then just keep it like folded, like that, and then just press it on it. And then with this one, with this plastic, just, just push it. Like this. You don't want to press it yet, because you want to get all the bubbles out. So you just go like this. Like that. There you go. And then with this, you just want to like go up and down, up and down. Make sure you don't have any air bubbles in. Just press on it. You can press on it with your fingers. And there's the first one. Now we're gonna press, put the light on. So should be this one. This one should be easy since it's just right here. So same thing. Make sure everything's aligned correctly. You probably should have cleaned it a little bit better, but oh well. There you go. You Now you can grab this if you want, and then this, that. Just press on it. There you go. Now, if you want to look from one side, and then here's the other side. So I do a comparison. Here's a comparison of it. I think it looks pretty good. So basically, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna first actually grab this thing and then clean it off. Clean all the dust off, you know. Clean it off. Gonna fold it here. I fold this one because this one's kind of longer, so see if it's gonna kind of like want to stretch. You kind of want to stretch the vinyl, you know. So I'm gonna stretch it, and there you go. Now let's do the other one, or the other little one. Same thing. This is very easy to do. So I'm pretty sure if I can do it, you guys can do it. So there you go. That's it. Take those air bubbles out right here. Alright, I think it looks much better now. Much better. I kind of want to take these letters off, so let me know what you guys think. I kind of want to take these off, the Dodge. Take them off and just have all this blacked out. But I don't know. That, and then I'm going to do also this, I'm going to paint this black and then get an RT in red, because I don't like the chrome. I don't like this. So yeah, so this was my little tutorial on how to put this, I guess you could call it a tutorial on how to put this vinyl tint on the charger for the tail lights. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you like this. It was just, like I said, like a little short video, but yeah. Bye guys.